Crypto can feel like magic, click a button, and digital assets move instantly. But what if you could actually see what's happening behind the scenes? Imagine a live map for the entire Ethereum universe. That's what Etherscan is, a public free website that tracks every transaction and asset on Ethereum. Think of it like tracking a package online, but for your crypto. Etherscan gives you transparency and control, letting you watch your transactions in real time. No more guessing if your transfer went through, you can see it for yourself. This guide will show you how to use Etherscan, step by step, with simple analogies. By the end, you'll know how to look up your wallet, check transactions, and explore the Ethereum blockchain. It's like getting the keys to a new city, overwhelming at first, but easy once you know the main streets. Forget the jargon, we'll make it accessible. This isn't just about a website, it's about understanding the digital economy being built right now. Ready to pull back the curtain? Let's start with the basics. What is Etherscan, and why does it matter? Let's dive in. Etherscan is a block explorer, a search engine for the Ethereum blockchain. The blockchain is a giant public ledger of every transaction ever made. Etherscan lets you search and read this ledger, just like Googling public records. It's your friendly librarian for Ethereum, organizing complex data into easy-to-read info. The main reason people use Etherscan: to verify transactions. Instead of waiting and hoping your crypto arrives, you can check its status instantly. Etherscan shows if a transaction is pending, successful, or failed. No more guesswork. It's also a window into the whole Ethereum ecosystem. See big wallets, NFT activity, and network health. Whether you're curious or cautious, Etherscan gives you transparency and insight. It's not just a tool, it's your front row seat to the blockchain in action. Let's see how to use it, starting with your wallet address. Your wallet address is your crypto account number, a public string starting with 0x. It's safe to share. People can send you assets but can't take anything without your private keys. Paste your address into Etherscan's search bar to see your wallet's full public history. Instantly, you'll see your Ether balance, all your tokens, and every transaction you've made. It's like a live, transparent bank statement. The transaction list shows every incoming and outgoing transfer, with details like amount, sender, and receiver. You can also view all your tokens and NFTs in one place. Exploring your wallet on Etherscan connects the dots between your wallet app and the blockchain itself. It's proof your assets are real, recorded and verifiable by anyone. Let's go deeper. What does a single transaction look like? Every action on Ethereum, sending Ether, buying an NFT, creates a transaction with a unique ID called a transaction hash. Think of it as a tracking number for a specific event. Click a transaction hash on Etherscan, and you'll see a detailed receipt status: success, pending, failed, sender, receiver, and amount. If you send an NFT or token, you'll see those details too. You'll also find the block number, like a page in the ledger, timestamp, and the transaction fee, gas. This page is your ultimate proof. Who, what, when, and how much. All in one place. No more uncertainty. Etherscan gives you the facts straight from the blockchain. It's the best way to verify any transaction. Next, let's demystify those gas fees you see on every transaction. What are they, and how can you use Etherscan to manage them? Let's break it down. Gas is the transaction fee you pay to use Ethereum, like paying for fuel to drive your car. It compensates network validators for processing your transaction. On Etherscan, every transaction shows its gas fee in Ether and dollars. Gas prices fluctuate based on network demand. Like surge pricing for rideshares, Etherscan's gas tracker shows real-time gas prices: low, average, and high. If you're patient, you can wait for lower prices to save money. Understanding gas helps you avoid overpaying and plan your transactions smartly. The fee goes to network validators, not Etherscan or your wallet provider. By checking past fees, you'll get a feel for what's normal and when to transact. Now, let's see how Etherscan helps you track all your tokens and NFTs. Ethereum isn't just about Ether, it hosts thousands of tokens and NFTs. Etherscan lets you see every asset in your wallet, even those your wallet app might miss. Check your wallet page for a drop-down showing all your ERC20 tokens and their balances. For NFTs, there's a separate tab with images and details for each collectible. Click an NFT to see its full history. who created it, past owners, and transfers. Etherscan also lets you research any token by its contract address. See total supply, holders, and all transfers. This is crucial for due diligence. Check if a token is active and legitimate before buying. Etherscan gives you a transparent, complete view of your digital assets. It's your go-to tool for verifying ownership and authenticity. Ready to explore on your own. Now you know how to use Etherscan to unlock the Ethereum universe. It's your search engine for the blockchain, transparent, powerful, and free. You've learned how to check wallet histories, verify transactions, understand gas fees, and track tokens and NFTs. The best way to master Etherscan is to try it yourself. Open Etherscan, paste your wallet address, and explore your transaction history. Click on a transaction hash, identify the sender, receiver, and fee. Look up a token or NFT collection you're curious about. There's a world of data at your fingertips, and now you know how to read it. Using Etherscan makes you a smarter, more confident crypto user. You're no longer just a passenger, you're in the driver's seat. Keep exploring, stay curious, and use blockchain transparency to your advantage. The map is yours. See where it takes you.